I'm the teen librarian, Valerie Patrick.
And I'm a PSA here at Nordonia Hills, Alex.
And if you visited the Nordonia Hills Branch Library lately, you might have noticed something is happening.
Wait, shouldn't we tell them about the party first?
The See You Later summer finale?
Exactly. Join us on Saturday, August 1st from 1:30 to 4 p.m. for a fun-filled family celebration featuring carnival games, face painting, karaoke, and more.
And don't forget the Kona Ice Truck from 2 to 3 p.m., free for the first 100 guests.
And enjoy catered food thanks to the Friends of the Nordonia Hills Library Group.
And before the festivities begin, join us for a special town hall meeting at 1 p.m. to learn about the renovation plans, building design, sponsorship opportunities, and how we'll continue serving you during the closure.
Now back to the renovations. All 19 Akron-Summit County Public Library locations are receiving upgrades thanks to the voter-approved 2025 bond issue. And work is now underway at the Nordonia Hills Branch Library.
Due to the condition of the roof, repairs have already begun. Once that work is complete, renovations will move indoors, bringing exciting improvements, including new study rooms, an upgraded passport room, expanded children's and teen spaces, and repositioned reference desk, plus lower shelving for better accessibility.
The branch will close at 5 p.m. on Saturday, August 1st, and we look forward to welcoming you back in summer 2027 to a brighter, safer, and more modern library. And even while the building is closed, we're still here for you in the Nordonia community.
A book trailer will be available for hold, pickup, and limited browsing. The trailer will be open Tuesdays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on the third Saturday of each month.
And programs will continue off-site throughout the community. Teens and tweens can join us at MV Games for Dungeons & Dragons and Magic the Gathering.
Our adult book clubs will be also on the move. Mystery Book Club will meet at United Methodist Church of Macedonia. Afternoon book discussion will be held at Macedonia City Center. And Writers Guild will relocate to the Richfield Branch Library.
Storytime will move to Macedonia City Center and will also offer special pop-up storytime at Beacon Hills Park in Northfield.
This renovation marks an exciting new chapter for Nordonia Hills. The library is an important gathering place for families, students, and lifelong learners, and these improvements will help ensure that it remains welcoming, comfortable, and accessible for years to come.
And remember, our digital library is always open. You can access ebooks, audiobooks, movies, music, research tools, and homework help anytime, anywhere.
Thank you for your patience and support as we invest in your library and continue building our future. We look forward to seeing you at our programs, outreach events, other branch locations, and online throughout the renovation.